All right, y'all. I have emptied this magazine container out. It used to be on the shelves behind me. These are the last 3 things that I need to find homes for. This is pretty easy. It is going to go underneath those on the bottom shelf. And then I wanted to show you guys this. So this is a circular needle holder. And I'll show you. No, that might be too thick. But basically, you wind up your cord and you shove your needles. Oh, it does fit. You shove, I'm not going to be able to do it. You shove your needles through, one-handed anyway. Shove your needles through both sides, and then you clip this, or you snap this over. Pretend this one's also in. And then you don't have your cord going everywhere. So, since I don't have a plastic sleeve to put this one in, I think this is where this one's going to live. In there. Yeah, so that's what it looks like when it's all together. Pretty handy. Alright, so pretty cool. Knitting Central is down the bottom. I don't have anything on top of those anymore. The straight needles are down there, and then the ones that wouldn't fit in the bag are beneath it. There's only really 1 set of needles, and then there are 2 Tunisian crochet hooks, which I've never done Tunisian crochet, so don't think I'll be reaching for those anytime soon. Then you can see I put the project that used to be in that bag in its bag. So I feel like we did pretty good with this cart. It's all done, and we can move on to the sewing cart now. That one should be fun. There's a lot of sorting to do on there. Okay, guys. This is, it's scissors. It's cutting stuff. It's what are these called? Rotary cutters. And on top of here, that does not belong there. But on top of here, every scissor that I came across so far, I just throw it up here because I knew that they'd be easy to sort back out. Because only my Fiskars, nope, not Fiskars, only my Gingers. These are the ones that I like to keep on top because they're really my best scissors. These came out of project bags, as did all of these. All right, so this little snip is going in there. The seam rippers are not, because they do not belong there. We got another pair of snips there. Another pair of scissors. This came out of Emily's gifted container haul. You see another pair down here. Like, none of these are supposed to be up there. They're all supposed to be in there. Yeah. Oh, trying to think. These are needles, but they're yarn needles, so they should go over here because they will eventually go in these 2 remaining little containers. Convenient that I have 2, right? This is a yarn needle. this is where all my needles are. So let me take that out and put them in there. Y'all just ever sit and ponder what you're going to do for longer than you should? So I started clearing off that shelf, and like I know it's there. Shouldn't be any real surprises. And I'm just contemplating whether I should combine, this other photo box also has more thread in it. I think I might combine them because there's not a whole lot left in there. I don't know, what do you guys think I should do? Like, I think this might have been, like, all black and white. Or, like, hand sewing stuff that I should probably get rid of. Because this is definitely, you know, black. And this is... it's actually an off-white. Maybe yellow. That's clear. Oh no. I'm not sure what to do. I think these were whites. Yeah, those are the whites. You know, guys, I'm just going to combine them and hope for the best. I mean, I can always put them back, right? All right, I'm going to combine them. Talk myself into it. So these cups came off the top, and you can see I put these frickin' clips everywhere. Didn't I just scream at you? And you can see there is a foot. Maybe we will do that. Let's put this back up there and stick the foot in it, because I think we're going to retire these cups. And then I think there is enough space for my clips, kind of to the side of it. That's going to be good enough. So, one of these, let's go with the red one, actually belongs up here. The rest belong in this bag, which is what they came in. It seems it's also where I am keeping my measuring tapes. So now I have to find another place for the measuring tapes. You know what? The measuring tapes are going to end up in there because the bobbins aren't going to be in there anymore. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, we are doing pretty good. We have our measuring tapes in there, our seam rippers in there, and we're eventually going to put our bobbins in the case. But right now we're going to sort a little more of this because it's bothering me. So we have another measuring tape. This one will actually come in handy now that I'm thinking about making garments. Not that I couldn't use the other ones, I'm not that big. These two marking pencils are also supposed to be up here. This is like miscellaneous sewing stuff. I don't know what that goes to. Or this. This is sewing feet for my brother. Okay, so this doesn't belong here. And I am in reach of where it does belong. I'll put it right away. This should have all of my sewing needles in it, which I did just take some out of there and put them into here. So let's put them where they belong. So I'm not quite sure what's in these containers. Oh, more bobbins. Check that out. These haven't been used yet. I have trash. I haven't used up any spools. When I call them bobbins. I haven't used up any spools this year. And you know, I can't imagine that I'm going to do a project with these, but I do kind of save stuff for my friend's art teacher. But are kids ever going back to school? I think I can toss this. Jesus. More bobbins. Check that out. Did not remember I had those. Which is probably why I bought those. And this is the other measuring tape, which I think I actually am to the end of the measuring tapes. Probably just jinxed myself saying that. So let's see what's in here. What are you doing, Minnie? A mommy's freaking troublemaker. You better not be thinking about taking a piss in there. I will beat your butt. Hey! Stop! Stop it! Alright. You really want me to hurt you? Alright, guys, so these are more marking pens. Yeah, these are more marking pens. I'm going to put these up in the top where they belong. And not the ones that aren't actually marking pens. They should not go there. That is. This is not. No. And I see a screwdriver. So that bag is empty. So guys, I made all these bags before I knew anything about interfacing, so there's nothing to them. But I found uses for them in the sewing room. These pirate bags are canvas. So, you know what? This, which, you ever get those little sewing kits? I've been trying to use these up. I got a whole bunch. Both from kits that I had bought and then stuff that's been gifted to me. So, like, I really do try to use what I have. There's plenty of colors. So I think instead of this beat up Ziploc bag, they're now going to live inside here. Look at that perfect fit, y'all. That makes me happy. So guys, this second pirate bag, because there's the other one, it has more sewing feet in it. This isn't the first brother that I've had, so I have duplicate accessories. But they're good to have, so I'm not going to get rid of them, but everything in here is good to have, but like it's not the first thing I reach for, so just holds things for me. Okay, y'all. So I put my metal bobbins in the left and my clear ones in the right. You can't see, but like only right there isn't filled, so only 4 are missing from this one. And then there's 7 missing from this one, but I have 12. So I'm just going to keep these in their own little case. Yeah, so I'm actually pretty happy with that. I'm going to stick them right on top of there. Guys, I feel like we're finally getting somewhere. We decided these were going to go. And because I don't know where else to put it, we're going to leave the Allen wrench in there. That's always good to have. This is the accessories for my serger. I haven't decided whether the serger is going to live downstairs or upstairs. I have a plan for downstairs, but you can see there might be room for the serger on my desks.